For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.0000009 and Brise is as of now position 2731 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Bitgert is 0 Brise with a market cap of $0. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been expanded by $0.0000014 in its ongoing worth. From most recent 7 days the Brise was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.96%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 127.22%, adding to the worth a gigantic typical sum $0.0000011 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can now turn into a decent resource on the off chance that it keeps on developing. What is Bitgert, Brise? Bitgert, Brise, is a crypto designing undertaking sent off in July 2021 that works in blockchain items and examining arrangements. At first, Bitgert was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its local token, to pay rewards. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert advancements was introduced in 2022, the BRC20 blockchain. It offers almost zero gas charges and fast cross-chain exchanges. All the more explicitly, the gas expense is $0.0000000000001 per exchange, while the upheld throughput ultimately depends on 100,000 TPS. The rundown of Bitgert items likewise incorporates audit solutions with leaderboard support, Brise D-App Wallet, Brise Marking, Brise Swap, and Bitgert Bridge. Bitgert offers an option to the famous text stage Pancake Swap. Brise Wallet DApp is the primary passage to the biological system, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources. Brise is Bitgert's local token, permitting financial backers to profit from marking and acquiring compensations in BUSD. All shrewd agreements on Brise chain include a buyback component. To be more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange expense for buyback, 3% for promoting and 4% for marking rewards. As indicated by the group, buyback is intended to help the cost of Brise token, making it a deflationary resource. Brise professes to have a genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework and is applied as a shared, peer-to-peer, administration in the Brise D-App wallet. Consequently, purchasers and dealers communicate straightforwardly, without the cooperation of an outsider, through the peer-to-peer administration, and exchanges are done rapidly, safely and with zero charges. Who are the founders of Bitgert? The Bitgert project began its excursion in the mid-year of 2021. The white paper shows that the stage was sent off in July. This whole time the dev group worked secretly. However, it was reported that they are wanting to uncover their personalities when the opportunity arrives. Up until this point, no particular cut-off times have been distributed, yet one thing stays certain: doxing the group ought to decidedly influence the task's standing and the cost of Brise, since the move can prompt structure trust from the crypto local area and producing more revenue among financial backers. Furthermore, as per the group, temporarily and before the trade send-off, Bitgert will be enrolled as a legitimate element, probably in the Cayman Islands. Bitgert Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.000000045. The most extreme level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.0000050. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0000047. Brise price forecast for August 2022. In light of the value variances of Bitgert toward the start of 2022, Crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.00000041 in August 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00000037 and at $0.00000043, separately. September 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Brise cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00000041, while the greatest could reach $0.00000044 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.00000043. Brise price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitgert in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they foresee may be around $0.00000044 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.00000042 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.00000046. November 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.00000045 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.00000048. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00000043 in November 2022. Brise price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitgert costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.00000047. The most minimal and top Brise rates may be $0.00000045 and $0.00000050. Bitgert price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitgert will be around $0.000000